Hello, this is Katie Hendricks. I'm so happy to introduce you to a program many years in production and now ready to share. We're calling this program Restoring Resourcefulness. Our intention is to share simple and powerful ways of befriending and releasing fear, harnessing the juice that gets dammed up by fear so that we can connect deeply with others, and favoring creative collaboration rather than conflict and adrenaline.
Yes. And it's in the center of our house.
Oh, wow.
Yes.
I'm so happy.
Our faculty will be available to assist your organization and community to integrate these practices so that you can move from that reactive, fear-based thinking to whole body, whole brain, and whole system ability to respond fully, creatively, and even joyfully to the challenges that we face. We plan to populate this site with videos over the next year or so that provide deep and simple wisdom in several key areas. We want you to be able to presence and expand your ability to give and receive more love and attention. We want you to be able to practice conscious listening, a real key to bridging difference and connecting deeply. And breathing, coming home to essence wherever you are through the power of your breath. Fear melters. These are easy body moves to release fear and get present now. And FACT. That's our key transformational process that can be used personally, collectively, and in organizations of all kinds. FACT means facing, accepting, choosing, and taking action. And we'll show you how to use those moves both personally and in community.
And some,
and then your kid goes, ah, and then says, oh, I made that.
Please check in regularly to sample the videos and watch as the program grows. And please join us in supporting a world that values presence, caring, and connection.